Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by calling your card issuer or using their secure app to report the chip issue. This protects you and prevents unauthorized charges. Provide the account number, last 4 digits, and photo ID as requested so they can verify you. Once they confirm the problem, they'll advise replacement options. Follow their guidance rather than attempting physical repairs, because the chip carries embedded security data that's tied to fraud protections and payment networks. Next, request a replacement through the issuer's secure channel and select shipping speed that fits your needs. Expedited often costs extra, but reduces downtime. Make sure your address on file is current and ask for a tracking number. If the issuer offers a temporary virtual card or digital card in the app, use that to pay recurring bills until your physical card arrives. Also confirm the activation steps and timing so you can use the new card without surprises. When your replacement arrives, activate it immediately and update any saved payment methods for subscriptions or merchants. Destroy the old card securely by cutting through the chip, magnetic stripe, and printed account numbers, and retain the cancellation confirmation for records. If the card is delayed or missing, contact the issuer with your tracking info so they can investigate and stop delivery. If you spot unauthorized transactions at any point, report them and initiate a
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.